Hey there, social media managers. Today we're diving into how you can easily schedule your Facebook video posts using ContentStudio. This powerful tool streamlines your social media workflow, allowing you to plan and schedule your content in advance. Let's get started. First, head over to ContentStudio's dashboard and click on the Compose button. From the drop-down menu, select Social Post to open the Post Composer. In the left panel, you'll see a list of your connected social media accounts. Find and select the Facebook account you want to post to. You can choose multiple accounts if you're posting to more than one page or group. Now, let's create your post. Add your video by clicking on the Upload button or dragging and dropping your file into the Composer. Don't forget to write a compelling caption to go along with your video. Enhance your post's reach by adding relevant hashtags, and don't shy away from using emojis to make your post more engaging and eye-catching. ContentStudio offers an AI caption feature to help you create engaging captions. Click on the AI Captions button in the top right corner. You can select a predefined prompt or describe your idea related to business, service, product, audience, or any topic you want. Set the approximate word count, choose a voice tone, and decide if you want to generate hashtags or include emojis. You can even specify the number of variations you want. Click Generate to see AI-generated caption options. Once the AI generates captions, you can choose the one you like best. Click Add to Editor to insert it into your post. You can then refine and personalize the caption as needed. Below your post, you'll see options to customize your video post. You can select the post type feed, reel, or story. For a standard video post, keep it on feed. You can also add a video title if needed. Now, let's schedule your post. Under Posting Schedule, click on Schedule. You'll see two options: Same Time for all accounts or Custom Time for each account. If you choose Same Time for all accounts, a calendar will appear. Select your desired date and set the time. ContentStudio even suggests the best time to post based on your audience engagement. Alternatively, if you select Custom Time for each account, you can set different posting times for each Facebook account. This is great if you're managing multiple pages with different peak engagement times. Once you've set your schedule, click Continue. If everything looks good, click the Schedule button to finalize your scheduled post. And there you have it. You've successfully scheduled your Facebook video post using ContentStudio. That's all for now.